Somewhere out here in Washington is one of the most, in my opinion, incredible waterfalls out here in the state, which is Panther Creek Falls. But before getting there, I decided to make a quick trip down to Oregon to check out a couple waterfalls that I've had on my list for quite some time now. Alright, well, this is camp. I was hoping to take a little longer taking photos of the McKenzie River and all the waterfalls and stuff, but my biggest complaint is always arriving at camp late, so the fact I'm here early, there's nothing to complain about. Just for one person, this is a pretty large site. Actually, this whole area is a pretty large site if you're looking to camp somewhere along the McKenzie Highway. Not only is there this spot, but there is also this giant open area here. Yeah, I think I might just end up staying here. The only reason why I was reluctant is because I gotta head back up to Washington here tomorrow, specifically around the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest. And I'm maybe an hour away from Bend, Oregon, so that's gonna be a 4-hour drive to get there. Well, I woke up pretty early just to get here or even make the drive here, so I think it's time to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Just chin up in the air, defiant almost.
And right in front of him like that, right? He's got to get his hands up when you get in the range. What an odd style. One of the first things you learn in wrestling is your hips can't go in front of your head chest because then you can't. Cody's got to fight the hands.
Okay, so it is 5:30. I'm gonna have to head back up into Washington. There's a couple more hikes that I want to do, and it's basically on the way up anyways. So gonna do that, check that off the list, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so found this little cool campsite about 5 minutes down the road from Panther Creek Falls. It's along the river as well. So the plan for today is to actually meet up with 2 other photographers. We're gonna go do Panther Creek, and then we'll see what else we're gonna do. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna set up, make some coffee real quick, and then we'll head out. just got done packing up. Gonna drink my basically coffee ground because I can't close my jet boil lid for some reason. Like I said, Panther Creek is maybe 5 minutes down that way. I'm meeting up with 2 photographers out here in Washington, so there's absolutely no signal right now. Hopefully everybody makes it on time. So we planned out for noon and it's basically right now. So gonna head up there and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Yeah, so we're gonna check it out. Alright. I have to walk in. Another one. That's a new one? Yeah, works well. It's just a fucking mess. I think that's going to do it for this video. We had some other plans to hit up the other waterfalls around the area, but there just wasn't enough time and we were losing sunlight, at least in that area. The sun's actually coming out right now. Anyways, I gotta head home and then edit this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.